Once upon a time, in a village, there lived a wise old man, named Kavi. He was revered by the villagers, for his profound knowledge and exemplary moral conduct. Kavi spent his days under the ancient banyan tree, sharing stories and wisdom with anyone who sought his guidance. One day, a young man named Arjun approached Kavi with a troubled heart. Arjun was known for his impatience and impulsiveness, often making decisions without considering the consequences. He sought Kavi's counsel, to find a way to change his reckless ways. Kavi smiled warmly, and began to tell Arjun a tale that would stay with him for the rest of his life. In a distant kingdom, there was a majestic forest, ruled by a wise and benevolent king, named Amar. The animals in the forest lived harmoniously, respecting the delicate balance of nature. One day, a mischievous monkey named Raja decided to disrupt this harmony for his amusement. Raja, with his cunning nature, started spreading false rumors and sowing seeds of discord among the animals. The once peaceful forest soon became a battleground of mistrust and hostility. The animals started avoiding each other, fearing betrayal and deceit. Witnessing the chaos he had caused, Raja felt a twinge of guilt deep within his heart. He decided to seek guidance from the ancient tortoise, Guru, known for his wisdom and impartiality. Guru listened to Raja's tale of mischief and the resulting turmoil in the forest. Instead of scolding Raja, Guru imparted a valuable lesson. He handed Raja a bag filled with seeds, and said, "Take these seeds and plant them in the heart of the forest. Each seed represents an act of kindness and forgiveness. Nurture the seeds, and you will witness the restoration of harmony in the forest." Raja, understanding the gravity of his actions, set out to follow Guru's advice. He planted the seeds of kindness, watered them with genuine remorse, and watched as the forest began to transform. Slowly but surely, the once divided animals started coming together. They shared their stories, forgave past grievances, and embraced the spirit of unity. As the forest flourished with newfound harmony, Raja realized the profound impact of his actions. He had the power to either sow the seeds of discord or nurture the seeds of compassion. Arjun, deeply moved by the story, looked at Kavi with gratitude. Kavi smiled and said, "Just like Raja, you have the power to shape your destiny. Every decision you make, every action you take, is like planting a seed. Choose wisely, nurture kindness, and watch as your life transforms into a tapestry of virtue." Arjun left the banyan tree with a newfound sense of purpose and a heart brimming with the wisdom of Kavi's tale. From that day, he became a beacon of kindness and patience in the village, inspiring others to follow the path of virtue. And so, the tale of Kavi and Arjun became a timeless lesson for generations to come, reminding them of the profound impact of their choices on the tapestry of their lives and the world around them.